it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective. I'm at the Hollywood Farmers Market today. It is a gorgeous day outside. There's so many amazing vegetables in season right now. You have eggplants and squash and tomatoes and carrots, bell peppers, cabbage, broccoli, so many amazing things. I encourage you to get out, shop local, support your local farmers, and get all these yummy seasonal foods that are going to work wonders in healing our body. So that concludes our trip here at the Hollywood Farmers Market. If you live in Los Angeles, I highly recommend coming here every Sunday. If you're just visiting, make sure this is one of the stops on your trip. So many amazing things like this yerba mate tea from Yerba. Love it. I have so many goodies here. I can't wait to go get cooking. Bye guys!